Assalamualaikum and hi. Nice to meet you. My name is Syaifah Arbana Basira binti Syed Abdul Qadir. My matric number is 286908. Today I would like to present a reflection video for the subject Principle of Marketing. Our group had decided to choose a subtopic from topic 6, which is Product Planning Strategy. Therefore, I have chosen the subtopic of Branding Strategy. So, there are 3 things I have learned about this subtopic. First, firm use different types of branding strategy. Second, brand can be owned by any firm in the supply chain, whether manufacturer, wholesaler, or retailer. For example, the Coca-Cola and Pepsi brand are managed by manufacturers to ensure consistent product quality. In addition, retailers also produce their own products, such as Walmart. Third, firm can choose to name their brand and product line using family brand or individual brand. For example, you can call it a family brand when firm use their own corporate name for all products, just like Dove Company manufacture Dove Deep Clean Noisy and Dove Intensive Repair. While individual brand is when firm give a product a new identity and a unique brand name. For instance, Amazon had their own individual brand, like Neutrogena, CeraVe, and others. Next, 2 questions I still have about this topic. First, what will happen if the product planning strategy is not as expected? I want to know what the company next step if their plan fail, because to develop a new product takes time, energy, and thoughtful idea. Second, did the firm create their brand based on careful analysis or randomly name it as a brand? Lastly, one thing I have learned from the reflection of my group member are product planning strategy cover product mix and product line decision, consumer product, brand equity, consumer product type and packaging. So, as you can see from my group members' reflection videos, I will explain the important keywords in their subtopics. Among them, there are 4 types of consumer product, such as shopping product, convenient product, unsold product, and specialty product. Then, product mix and product line decision are influenced by the increase or decrease depth and breadth. In addition, the subtopic of brand equity also have important aspects like brand awareness, purchase value, brand associate, and brand loyalty. Last but not least, packaging is also divided into 2 types, namely primary and secondary package. Thus, strategy is the first step before starting a project so that the business runs smoothly and we know the progress of our project. Thanks, that's all.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, especially to respected Dr. Safwan Marwin bin Abdul Murad. My name is Nur Fatina Billah binti Muhammad Nazri and my matric number is 286909.
What is product planning? Product planning is the procedure of identifying and articulating market requirements that define a product's benefits or features. Product planning works as the basis for decision-making about price, distribution and promotion. It is the process of creating a product idea and following the idea until the product is introduced to the market. We can define product planning as the evaluation of the range, specification, and pricing of new and existing products according to the present and future market requirements and competition. Product planning usually represents the activity that links the company with its market, which is directly concerned with the development of the company.
I would like to summarize topic 6 that I have learned, which is product planning strategies. In this topic, I'm able to identify the types of consumer products, product mix, brand strategy, and product packaging strategies. There are 3 things I have learned about packaging strategies in this topic. Firstly, Packaging is a key brand feature that provides more tangible or physical benefits than other product elements. Next, packaging can enable products to stand out from their competitors. Last but not least, packaging allows the same product to appeal the different market with different sizes. On the other hand, I have two questions about this subtopic. First, what is the best way to create a memorable packaging for a product? Next, why is packaging of product related to occasion or season?
Advantages of product planning. 1. Improved the system of the organization for regular and timely delivery. 2. Better supplier communication for raw materials procurement. 3. Product planning reduced investment in inventory. 4. Reduced production cost by increasing efficiency. 5. Smooth flow of all production processes. 6. Proper production planning reduced waste of resources.
From what I have learned with my friends about this topic, I can understand the exactly definition of product in marketing. Then, I have learned the importance of brand equity and the components of brand equity. Last but not least, I have learned that brand can be owned by any firm in the supply chain, whether the manufacturer, wholesalers, or retailers. That's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears.
Hello everyone, I am Nishanti Segran, number metric to A6933. Today I am going to present my reflection video about topic 6, product planning strategy, and the subtopic type of consumer product. Basically, three things that I have learned about the selected subtopic is, I have learned about the definition of consumer products, the convenience products, specialty products, shopping products, and unsold products. Lastly, I have learned why it is important to understand the type of consumer products. Definition of consumer product is often known as final goods or objects acquired for personal use by the consumers. Toothpaste is categorized as a consumer product because it is purchased and used directly by the user. These items are sold to consumer for personal use only and are not intended to resell or further manufacture. The bulk of consumer items are those that we purchase directly from a company's website or the store shelves. Okay, let's move on to the second part. Convenience product is one that requires little thought on the part of the customer. This type of product is typically purchased often and appeals to the large market base. For example, candy bar would be considered as an example of convenience product because this type of product is available in several different stores, including petrol station and grocery stores. Secondly, specialty products. Specialty products are those that have unique characteristics or are associated with a particular brand. Specialty products are often high priced compared to convenience products due to its value and price. For example, a Tesla is a specialty product because it can only be purchased through a Tesla dealership and is known for its unique characteristics and is also at a high cost compared to the other vehicle brands. Furthermore, shopping products. Shopping products are the products that are purchased less frequently than convenience products, but more frequently than specialty products. These products can range in price, style, and quality, and customers often spend a greater deal of time comparing shopping products before purchasing them. For example, an airline ticket is a common shopping product purchased by customer. Most customers will spend time comparing airline tickets to choose which one best meets their needs and fit within their budget. And last but not least, unsold products. Unsold products are those that consumers typically don't buy or would not consider purchasing regularly. For example, a diamond ring is an example of unsold products because most individuals does not buy a diamond ring unless they get engaged or they want to purchase as a gift to their friends. Okay, the third thing that I've learned from this subtopic is It is important to understand the different types of consumer products and their differences, as each type of product will require certain marketing tactics. For example, if you are selling a high sought after product, you likely won't need to spend as much money on marketing and advertising for it. However, if your product is considered an unsought good, you will want to take a more aggressive marketing and advertising approach to ensure consumers are enticed to purchase the products. So the two questions that I still have doubt about this topic is, what do marketers consider when looking at product line depth and breadth? Secondly, what is the best way to attract a brand loyal customer of a competing brand? Okay, lastly, now I want to talk about the thing that I've learned from the reflection of my group member is a good product planning strategy may help your business transform a good idea into a profitable product that it can then tweak to stay competitive in the market. Your product development plan might reveal areas where you can enhance as well as the most efficient methods. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Arba'iyah binti Azahar, metric number 286901. I will present about 3 to 1 pair reflection video. Three things I have learned from this subtopic is, first, what is product mix spread and product mix depth? The product mix spread of a business refers to the all of the products being sold by a particular brand or company. It could include 5 items or 500 items in a variety of product lines, but encompasses any and every product produced, manufactured and distributed by the company. Product breadth in a retail environment is also sometimes referred to as merchandise breadth or product assortment wide. Product depth. Product depth is how many different variations of each product the store is carrying. This variation can be different colors, sizes, or any attribute related to the same product. The more variations the store is offering, the deeper is its product assortment. Secondly, about depth versus breadth by location. Depth and breadth decision will also vary from store location to the other under the same brand. Not all stores are the same, and so not all stores should carry the same options. The buyer or merchandiser will make his own decision in creating the right assortment for each store based on many factors such as store size, location, customer profile, and many more. Lastly, product assortment strategy consideration. While making the choice between depth versus breadth, the buyer or category manager needs to take several things into considerations. First, store size and visual display. Second, retail segment and product category. Third, more is not always better. Two things I still doubt about in this topic is, I cannot state what is the effect of depth and breadth on buying. Second, I still cannot give a good example to explain how the product mix being used. Something new I have learned from the group member is about branding. Firms can choose to name their brands and product lines using family brands and individual brands. Also, brand can be owned by any firm in the supply chain, whether manufacturer, wholesalers, or retailers. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Noor Atika binti Muhammad Noor and my metric number is 286919. Today I would like to present about our assignment per reflection topic 6, planning product strategies for principle of marketing groups. 3 things that I have learned in this topic. Firstly is I learned and understood the exactly definition of product in marketing. Secondly is categories of consumer products. Consumer goods are divided into 3 categories: durable goods, non-durable goods, and services. And the third one is types of product consumer. There are 4 main types of product based on consumer: that convenience good, specialty goods, shopping goods, and unsold goods. Two questions that I still have about selected topic. Firstly is I still confused about marketing consideration for consumer products. And the second one is I still confused about the features for each type of product based on consumer. One new thing that I have learned from my group member reflection is I get to learn how important are teamwork to finish all the tasks given, and also how important product planning strategies to help us measure risks and fits before creating a new product or new brand. That's all from me. Thank you.
Three things that I have learned about this topic is: first, I know about what is brand equity. Brand equity is the level of a brand in influencing customers to buy the brand, and also about consumer perception for the brand. Brand equity also can be positive or negative. For example,
If consumer think highly of the brand, it has positive brand equity, while if the brand fails to live up to consumer expectation, it has negative brand equity. Second, I have learned about importance of brand equity. Brand equity is very important to increase its valuation in the marketplace and also can increase the sale. When the brand having positive brand equity, it can be easy to introduce new product line. This is because it have a strong brand and also have loyalty customer. So customer will buy the product because they trust the brand. Third, I have learned about component of brand equity. They have four components in brand equity, which is brand awareness, purchase value, brand association, and brand loyalty. First, brand awareness. Brand awareness is about how familiar customer with a brand or its product. Second, purchase value. Purchase value is about customer perception of the overall quality of a product or service relative to alternatives. Third, brand association. Brand association is about any method in linkage to the brand. Last but not least, brand loyalty. Brand loyalty is preference of a brand by the customer over similar product in the market. Two questions that I've stated about this topic is, first, I'm still curious how the new brand to get placed in the market and also can compete with other brands. Second, I just want to know how to build the brand equity. The new things that I have learned from the reflection of my group member, now I know about consumer product mix and product line discussion, brand strategy and packaging. It can help me to more understand about this topic.